that would, inspire a different feeling, just based on the color palette. So, exploring color is a big part of, where you can go as an artist. So this application is remarkable for...
It's unnecessary, right? If I were to, draw a building that was in one-point perspective, I'd come up here for the edge of my building. And I can add in the edge of my building
So
here.
vanishing point is the point at the horizon where the two receding line emerges.
And no two gifts are identical, but it's clearly they're X-Men. So from that perspective, what you find with not just neurotypicals but atypicals. Now, I'm not an expert in this area because my views are based from a self-referential, which is sort of subjective, and empirical analysis only, which is based on a sort of intersubjectivity or the collective view of others who've had the same experience as well. And what I've observed is no two atypicals, even if you look at it from a parapsychological approach or psychopathology, no two of the same bipolar or mania share the exact same phenomena. So